AI is changing the way we work and also enabling the enterprise software to do more things, making the work easy and making things faster and impossible work possible. There are two things here. First, the way developers are working is changing day by day. Nowadays, we are relying more on AI and it will help you to improve your productivity. And second, the existing enterprise applications can use AI features in their application. And when we talk about the enterprise market, the most used language or the framework there is Java and Spring. And that's what we are coming up with. So we are coming up with a new course, which is Java Spring Boot with AI. Now, AI will be used in two ways. One, how do you improve your productivity using AI tools? And how will you enable the AI features in your enterprise application? Now, this course is a weekend course which is going to start from 20th July, and this will be a morning batch from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Who are the authors of this course? I'm there, and one of the amazing trainer for Java and for other technologies, we got Heather Abbas. So let's talk about the course. So this is Java Spring Boot AI live course, and in this live course, we are going to learn Java from scratch. So even if you don't know the basics of programming, we are going to start from scratch, then we'll move towards Spring Framework. And inside Spring, we are going to look at multiple modules of Spring for dependency injection, for web development, for enterprise applications, for databases, security, and then we'll move towards Spring AI, which will enable your enterprise application with AI features. Now, this is a live course, but apart from this live course where you're going to learn Java, Spring, Spring AI, there are other things which you will get in the recorded format to make you a complete Java developer, because it's a huge ecosystem. So you're going to get microservices, SQL, DSA, JUnit, Hibernate, JDBC, servlets, Docker, Maven, Git, GitHub, cloud deployment as recorded courses where you can learn them at your own pace, while we are teaching you Java, Spring Boot, and Spring Framework with Spring AI Live. Now, this is not just a course where you can binge watch or just sit on sofa and watch. This is more of a hands-on approach. So basically, with every session, we are going to teach you things practically, and you'll be working on your machines also. Now, if you can go to the course website. You will find the link in description, and we're going to start from Java. Everything is mentioned there. We'll focus on OOPS, array, string, exception handling, threads, collection, file handling. Then we'll start with Spring Code, where we also have Spring Boot, Data JPA, Web, as I mentioned before. Then AOP, security, Spring AI. All these are live, and then microservices will be recorded with the other recorded courses. Now, since we have so much to talk about, this course will be a bit long, 5 to 6 months. But we'll make sure that you are a complete Java developer once you complete this. And just to reiterate, this is a weekend batch. And there are some FAQs, do check it out. And the course fees will keep changing depending upon when you are watching this. So do check out the course page to get the latest price. See you in the course, everyone.